guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm looking a bit rough because I've just got my foundation, concealer, powder and brows on, and I hate wearing brows when I have like no other makeup on because my brows are intense enough as it is, to be honest. But we're gonna go with it. I bet you're all thinking, Kirsty, why are you doing your intro with no makeup on? This is a rarity. And I'm like, honestly at this point it's not, but yeah, we'll go with it. I just ran up and down the stairs and I'm so out of breath. I'm sorry about this. Just give me a minute, guys. So what I'm gonna be doing today is turning myself into an e-girl. Yeah, I actually didn't know what this meant. You guys were commenting it a lot, especially on like my hairstyles video. You were all saying like when I did these, people just said I look like an e-girl, and I was like,
what the hell is an e-girl?
I feel like that's how you know you're getting old, when you don't know what like people are saying. But then again, I'm still only 17. To be fair, is it June yet? No, it's the 30th of May. I am 18 next month, so get ready, boys and girls. But that's not the point of this video. I get so distracted, this shouldn't be allowed. I've been planning on filming this video for a very long time. I just didn't know what e-girl meant. Then I saw actually Kristen Hancher did a video where she turned herself into an e-girl. I was like, finally I can figure out what the frick this thing is. So I watched that and I was like, okay, got it, I know what it is, gonna do it. So that's what I'm filming today. If you're excited for this video, remember to like, comment, subscribe if you are new here, turn on my post notification bell as well, that way you don't miss any of my uploads. My social medias are in the description box below. And without further ado, let's get on with turning me, Kirsty Addison, into an e-girl. So to start off with, we're gonna get the definition of an e-girl if you are like me and have no idea what it actually meant. So, Urban Dictionary. An e-girl is a species of emo usually found on TikTok that commonly spends time on Tumblr. Guys, I'm a master of TikTok now. If you haven't seen a video where I became TikTok famous, go check it out. Free promo, love that for me. Can be found wearing pink eyeshadow with a large wing, little hearts under the eyes and a blush nose, normally wearing some type of shirt from Urban Outfitters over a long sleeve striped shirt, commonly found doing the me dance, but I've probably never seen it before. Don't know what that means. Yeah, let's go with it. I feel like an e-girl is that type of girl who wears like loads of blush, like that kind of vibe. This is what I'm envisioning right now. I'm gonna go with that. I'm gonna start off with the blush, seeming as it seems like quite an important part. I'm gonna take Dolly Mix Blush by MAC. This is pink as hell. And I might mix it with, this is the Sweet Peach Glow Kit. It's actually so pretty. It's by Too Faced. And I'm gonna mix it with the blush shade in there and a little bit of Dolly Mix. And we're gonna go for it. My mirror's over here before I get comments saying that I'm not looking down the camera. I'm just looking in the mirror, okay? I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit.
Hi.
I'm actually gonna use the mirror in my bronzer. This is the Marc Jacobs Tantric bronzer. I'm not actually using it. I'm just using the mirror in here because it's such a big pan. I might actually just go in straight with Dolly Mix. I'm gonna take my blush quite high up, like basically under my eyes. I normally like never ever wear blush, so this is a different experience for me. Like I normally hate blush. I normally like bronzer. I do still love bronzer. See, I just feel like I look like, what's that guy called? Oh, not Rory the Racing Car, but one of those old cartoons. Definitely not Rory Racing Car. Car. If you guys know what I'm talking about, I look like one of those old like kind of English cartoons that we'd all grow up watching. Let me know who it is because I can't think of who it is. Maybe it was Postman Pete. Is that who it is?
Postman Pat, Postman Pat, Postman Pat and his black and white cat.
Hey Siri, Google Postman Pete.
Early in the morning, just as day is dawning.
Okay, it's not Postman Pete, but I have definitely got the image in my head and I just don't know who it is. Maybe Peppa Pig, she was pink too. I'm actually gonna take some bronzer on my forehead because I can't deal with not having bronzer on. Like, I seriously can't. That's so overdramatic, but whatever, Kirsty. I'm just gonna take my Marc Jacobs bronzer onto my forehead. Or maybe I should take the blush onto my forehead. Would that be clever? Like, use blush just like as everything. Okay, oh, itchy nose, itchy nose.
I'm not picking it, I'm itching it.
I'm gonna take my James Charles palette because this is every color ever in here. And I'm gonna take peachy eyeshadow right here. I might mix it with this bright pink at the bottom. That one's called Pinkity Drinkity, but I'm not sure what the peachy one's called. There's too much stuff on my desk right now and it's stressing me out. I'm not packing this on, I'm blending it on. This is more red than pink, but we're gonna kind of go with it, I guess. Oh, this is gonna stain my eyelids, I know it will. Oh, for God's sake, man. Things I do for YouTube. I might actually take a light shimmery pink on like, okay, I'm just gonna take Moon Dust from the Huda Beauty palette, this one right here. It's from the Rose Gold Remastered palette. I know it's not really pink, but I'm doing my best, okay? I'm not cut out for this e-girl lifestyle. And then I'm gonna take a smaller brush and go in with this Man-Eater shade, which is like a plum and a reddy shade. And I'm just gonna take that onto the outer corner. I would just like to share with you guys that I'm not wearing a bra right now and I feel very unsecure. I'm not insecure, I just feel unsecure, like it feels like I'm not supported. Unsupported. That's way TMI. What am I doing? Yeah, this definitely is not gonna come off for about 3 days. So if you see in my next tutorials that it looks like I've got pink eye, it's just this stain in me. Wow, I'm being so positive today, aren't I? That was sarcasm. See, again.
Jesus, Kirsty.
Oh, I just itched off the blush on my nose. Sorry, I've got hay fever, guys. I reckon that's the eyeshadow done. I have a question. What does an e-girl even like? I know I Urban Dictionary'd it, but what does it even like mean? How far do I go with this blush? Why does it look so shiny as well is my question. Postman Pete, but not Postman Pete. I'm coming for you. Okay, I'm gonna quickly go off camera and stick on some lashes and do a big old wing, because that's what Urban Dictionary said that e-girls do. And I'll be back with you guys to complete my look. Why did I zoom it in so much though? Like, that's a bit extreme, no? I think that's a little bit better, in my opinion. Why did I say that so weirdly? In my opinion, I think it's so much better. I think I need more blush though, because I just feel like TikTok people don't know where to stop with blush. Is this what I'm calling it? E-girl. Oh, I just don't like that word, so I still don't really know what it means. And what's an e-boy? Like, I don't understand. Can someone please like inform me? I feel old. Okay, I need to like tie up my hair because this just isn't working. Oh my god, look how much hair there is. It's all extensions, but still. I feel like I know the struggle of people with thick hair, even though I don't have thick hair. I used to. Actually, my hair used to look like this, and then all the bleach and the heat, all that stuff, damaged it. So now I don't. Look how smashed this highlighter is. Oh Jesus, I can't really show you guys. It's so smashed, but I'm using it anyway. This is the Doll Beauty highlighter. I don't know what the shade is. I feel like they just highlight the tip of their nose, so that's what I'm gonna do. I need a reference pic. I need a reference pic now. Have I gone too intense with the blush? Do I need a more like peachy blush to neutralize it? See, normally when I do recreations, or like if I try and turn myself into something, I have like a reference pic. Right now I'm just going off my kind of like the Urban Dictionary definition. If I'm wrong, don't hate me. So now let's go underneath my eye. Should I take the blush? Might as well, because it's right in front of me. Wait, is blush eye safe? That I'm taking eyeshadow. I love how I use bronzer on my eye all the time, but blush, hell no. I kind of prefer it before I did that. I definitely prefer it before I did that. I feel like now I kind of look like I've got pink eye, but let's go with it. What next? I don't know. You tell me, e-girls. I'm actually gonna brush out my brows because they're looking a little bit sloppy, aren't they? I'm gonna do some fake freckles, but I'm gonna do them with pink liquid lipstick because I feel like that's something that this person would do. This person, that sounds so shady, but these people. This is Jeffree Star Queen Supreme. I took that too high up, didn't I? I have a question. Does this look like I have smallpox? I have the answer. Yes, it does. Whatever, you done it now, Kirsty. They said they draw hearts under their eyes, so let's do that too. Where does the E in e-girl come from? This could go so wrong. I think for me, one heart is enough. That's also way too close to my eyeball. One heart is enough for me. I should have sprayed my face before I did that, but oh well, we pay the consequences. What to do about lipstick? Because there's none down here. Okay, do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna spray my face, apply lower lash mascara, and grab some hair bubbles, and then I'll be back with you to do my hair. I'm actually gonna get changed as well because this ain't it. It really ain't it. Jesus Christ, amen. I'm not gonna show you a full thing of the outfit because I'm not gonna lie, I'm not wearing any trousers. Right, let's do this hair thing. So what I'm gonna do is section off this thing, this hair. I'm gonna brush it through. Jesus, this is reminding me of when I did my hairstyles video. Guys, should I tell you a fun little story? So my parents gave me my 18th birthday present early, and I'm gonna shade this brand. Not that they'll probably ever see this because it's one of the biggest brands in the world, but they bought me very kindly a pair of diamond hoop earrings from Tiffany's. Guess what? Wore them out once the first time, had to get it repaired. I've worn them once now. Actually no, that's a lie. I wore them twice now. Give them some credit. I managed to wear a pair of, I'm not going to say how much they were, earrings twice before it broke again after getting it repaired. Are you f***ing kidding me? Like, are you f***ing kidding me? Shout out to Tiffany's for making this awful design that does not stay. Okay, that's such a f***ing joke because now it's staying in. My hair's done. I feel like I should have put on a bigger pair of lashes. Okay guys, so this is the final look, I think. Wow, what do we think? I still don't know what e-girl means, but I think I'm it. I want more mascara on my lower lashes. I'm not sure I'm a biggest fan of it, I'm not gonna lie. I don't think it's awful. I think it could be worse, but I'm not the biggest fan of it. This is me as an e-girl, still don't, but this is me as an e-girl, still, but this is me as an e-girl. Still don't know what it means, but we're going with it. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe if you are new here. I hope I did it well, considering I still don't feel like I fully know what it means. Is this my outro? I feel like I'm so rusty right now and I don't know why. But yeah, all my social medias are in the description box, so if you want to follow me on those, please do feel free to. I'm pretty sure that is my outro. I'm not gonna do a really long outro because what's the point in long outros? I've kind of gone off them. What about you? But yeah, if you turn yourself into an e-girl, tag me in your photos, I guess. And yeah, that's it for today's video. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, love you. Mwah.